been sitting around thinking about days past. If you ain't best, you get yours last. Or sometimes you don't get yours at all. Make the wrong choice and see your family fall. Pop's at home beating on my mom, cause she walked in on him running cons. I can't decide if I should call the police, cause if they take that away, we'll be on the streets. Sure, if he was gone, it'd clear up the fear, but mom wouldn't even have a car to steer. No money to put food on our plate, plus you know we gonna probably have to leave the state. So I make the choice not to call the cops. Little brother and sister begging him to stop. His attention turned off from mom onto them. Now my brother laying there with the broken limb. Time goes by and I dry my tears, but this night dad's been knocking back beers. Next thing I know he's got a gun to his head. I pray that he do it, cause he's better off dead. But for some reason mom's yelling no, but then he put the pistol up to her throat. I see a tear roll down my mom's cheek, then she whispered that she loved us all three. He begins to pull off the shot, fall flat on his face, thank God he drank a lot. I run up to my mom and I give her a hug, so glad in the pistol remained the slug. Mom decide that was the last straw, but we ain't got no one we can't call. Put all of our stuff into a few trash bags, the story of the night that we left dashed. Shelter for families like us, but it seemed like none of them we could trust. But this one black family seemed to act right, and it didn't even matter that we was white. Time passes by, we get our shit together. We decide to move in together. Now we got a 3-bedroom and a family of 8. Our moms is at work late trying to get paid. It ain't easy trying to feed all these kids. Clothing them, clean them, discipline them. We be out on the playground in the Spruce Hill, while our parents be struggling to pay the bills. They know that they had to do something more, so we wouldn't turn out to be dealers.